When clean the unit, power off it for more than 3 minutes before you take out the collecting plates. Remove back plastic shroud. Take out collecting plates, take out wire frame, take out pre-filter screen, take out rubber sleeve. The composite catalyst filter can be exposed to the sun regularly to help reactivate the catalyst. Notice the arrow sign on it and put it into unit accordingly. Gently clean the wire frame on a flat surface with a dry sponge cloth. Soak the rubber sleeve in water. Open the locks on each side of the collecting plates and divide it into 3 parts. The bottom of the collecting plates cannot be cleaned or soaked in water. It is recommended to wipe it by damp cloth. Clean the collecting plates with water or use neutral detergent for better effect. Clean rubber sleeve and pre-filter in water. Wipe the back cover with a damp cloth or wash it in water. Dry the collecting plates and reinstall the 3 parts by turn. Remember to clean the sensor at back with a rubber alcohol cotton swab. Air out all parts in a dry place and make sure they are fully dried before installing. Install rubber sleeve first and make sure it is fixed firmly. Make sure gold color contact pin goes fully through the small hole on the rubber sleeve. Install wire frame. Install pre-filter screen. Install collecting plates. Lastly, install back shroud.